Good evening, everyone. My name is Jumping R. Del Campo from BSHM 3rd Year Block 1. And I am here to explain to you the different features of culture. Number 1, learn. Culture is not inherited biologically, but rather learned through experience, observation, and instruction. Individuals acquire cultural knowledge and practices through social interactions and exposure to cultural norms. Number 2, social. Culture is a social phenomenon that arises from the interaction and relationship among individuals within a group or society. Cultural norms, values, and practices are shaped by social context and institutions. Number 3, shared. Culture is shared among members of a group or society, providing a common framework for understanding, communication, and behavior. Shared cultural knowledge and practices create a sense of community and belonging. 4, transmitted. Culture is transmitted from one generation to the next through various means such as language, education, and socialization. Number 5, continuous. Culture is continuous process, evolving over time as individuals and groups adapt to changing circumstances. Cultural practices and norms are refined, modified, or replaced as needed. Number 6, accumulative. Culture is accumulative, building upon existing knowledge, practices, and traditions. New cultural elements are added to the existing cultural repertoire, enriching and diversifying the cultural landscape. Number 7 is integrated. Culture is integrated, consisting of interconnected components that form a cohesive whole. Cultural practices, norms, and values are intertwined, influencing one another and shaping the overall cultural context. Number 8 is changing. Culture is dynamic and constantly changing, responding to internal and external factors such as technological advancement, migration, and globalization. And the last is varies by society. Culture varies across different societies, reflecting the unique histories, experience, and environment of each group. Cultural differences are a natural consequence of human diversity and the complexity of social context. That's all, everyone. Thank you.